In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a Mastercard gift card to Cash App. First, load up Cash App and then click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now from here, you want to select the second option, which is gonna be linked banks. So just click on linked banks, and right here we will select the option link a new debit card, transfer instantly, send payments. Again, we will have to click on link new debit card from the screen, and then here you will type the Mastercard gift card information such as the card number. You will also need to type the expiration date, the CVV, and also the zip code which is linked to your Mastercard gift card. If you don't know your zip code or the card zip code, you can just type your own zip code and it should work the same. Afterwards, you just click on link card, and that is how you add it to Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.